Hey guys, welcome back to my channel AV Karma. My name is Anjali and hope you all are doing great. So in this video I will be sharing a Instagram haul from where I bought a lot of earrings. Like a lot, I am saying a lot because I don't really wear so much earrings. Like I have only 1 to 2 and I wear them all the time. So this time I bought earrings, and not also earrings, they are jhumkas. Okay, so I am not a jhumka person at all, but still I bought some jhumkas because I was just going through my Instagram and I saw this site named Ever Stylish. So I don't know what happened to me that day and I just bought too much earrings. Like I bought about 4 to 5 earrings or 5 to 6 earrings from that page, and also they all are under 100 rupees. So I was like, okay, this is pretty good. And actually I have never shopped anything from my Instagram store. 3 to 4 days I just received my order, and this is the box that I received. And yeah, so if you search on Instagram that everstylish.com, so you will find this is all the jhumkas, and they are pretty good in also quality wise also, because some of them I have wore a lot of time because I was like really enjoying wearing them, and they all were individually like packed. Yeah, packaging was also pretty good. And so without further ado, I just want to start this video, like show you the actual jhumkas one by one. So you make sure to like this video, and also at the end of the video you can comment down below. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay, wait. So if you are seeing me for the first time, then make sure to subscribe this channel and also press that bell icon so that you never miss any update from me. And so now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so for the first earring, I want to show you this. They are really very adorable. It is peacock embroidered on them. Like the shape is of peacock, and there is a jhumka, and also you know they are not heavy at all. Yeah, I will now wear them and show you how this looks. The second jhumka, I will show you the biggest. Like this is the biggest of all of them. So this is this one. They are very like nice. Okay, so I had no idea about this store before at the time of Navratri वगैरह, Dandiya and Navratri. So I would have loved to have these on that time, because घाघरा के साथ तो यही चलता है ना. कितना सही है ना. और ये भारी भी नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है. They are not heavy at all, so they don't hurt your ears at all, and you can comfortably wear them.
You go again without remorse, without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna shoot.
Okay, so for my second favorite, yeah, are these jhumkas. Okay, so these are my second favorite. You might have seen these me wearing a lot if you follow me on Instagram. Yeah, let me tell you, you can follow me on Instagram. Handle will be in either of the sites, so you can follow me there. So you those of you who are following me there, you might have seen these jhumkas, because at Diwali I like wore these jhumkas. Yeah, I just love these jhumkas and I like to wear these. Quality wise, they are damn good. Moving on to next jhumka is these one. They are pretty small and very beautiful. They are leafed shaped and they are pretty good. You can see, and they are the lightest. I think they are very light in weight.
I don't know, I'm fine without you. You beg me to come with you.
Okay, so I told you that I showed you the second favorite jhumka. So which one was the first? So first goes to this jhumka. Oh my god, this is the most adorable jhumka. You can see. Okay, so moving on to one more that I didn't bought from this site. This is just I have, and this is the only hoop that I have, and I just like this a lot. So that's why I thought I should mention these. They are the best hoop I have. This is the only hoop I have, but still I love them a lot. And this is all stones embedded the side. Yeah, so that was the haul. My box is empty. So this was the video. Hope you have enjoyed. So if you did, then make sure to like this video and comment down below that will you buy this, or like you like the which jhumka you like the most. You can comment down below, and make sure to subscribe this channel and press that bell icon, and see you in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.